Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Popplet. This is a mind mapping graphic organizer. It will let you organize your information on a topic in various ways. So let's get started. The first thing you can do is you can adjust your background setting color. You can do green, yellow, blue. I'm going to go ahead and stay with pink. The next button is your settings button. This is where you're going to make a new Popple. You can copy a Popple, cut a Popple, paste it, and then some other functions down here. We'll go over that. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to start to make a new Popple. Just click on Make a New Popple. I'm going to go ahead with my mouse down and drag it to the center because it's going to be one of my topics. You can also adjust the color of the border that you would like. Now we're going to add some text. So, ways to stay healthy is what we've been talking about in class. You can adjust your text font or the placement of your text. I'm going to go ahead and keep it centered. If you would like to draw a picture, there's a drawing option right here for you. But I am not a drawer, so I'm going to upload pictures. So you can upload them. You can copy and paste a URL code or videos. And I'm going to show you these functions right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upload an image. I have an image already saved, already downloaded and saved on my drive. So you would do that first. And then you just click open and there's your image. Around your Popple are 4 white dots. You're going to hold down your left mouse button and then you're going to drag. And once you release, a new Popple will appear. And then you can adjust it and drag it to where you want it to be. So again, I'm going to change the border color. And I know one thing we need is sleep. Ways to stay healthy we talked about in class is sleep. For this one, I'm going to upload a video. So I already have a video that I've watched and I pre-selected. I'm going to copy and paste the URL code. And then I'm going to click on video and then paste it there. Click OK and your video appears. And then you can add more information about sleep around your Popple. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to do another one. I can choose anywhere direction I want this Popple to go. Hold down your left mouse, drag your line out and release. Change the color. I'm going to change the color. I know something else we need to stay healthy is, we've talked about in class, is exercise. And for this one, make sure I spell exercise correctly. And for this one, I'm going to add a URL. So what I've done is I've already went through and I found some free images. So I'm going to copy the image link and then I'm going to place it in the URL image. And there is my image. And then I would go around and add different information about exercising and staying healthy. And then you can just keep on adding. And then that's where you would view all your information. And also you can zoom in and zoom out. So this is a great way that we're going to be using Popplet in our classroom to organize the information on how we have been keeping and learning about ways to stay healthy.